Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, and welcome to a quick update on TRB. Had to do an update. I mean, yesterday it rallied quite a lot. I personally didn't get in. I mean, I saw it rallying, and some other analysts I follow. I saw them getting in and talking about it. So yeah, I mean, I should have looked at it. I didn't. But yeah, we got some bullish momentum. I mean, just in general, and most of you did expect this. Before this, we actually dropped down lower, which was also expected, I think, if you watch my videos. I personally did not think that we would get such a rally again. It's not, I mean, if you look at the chart right now, it doesn't look that big. But in general, I mean, we actually topped out around 48%, so you could have made a lot of money on that. But no, this is just, I mean, the thing is, to start off with some sort of a fundamental explanation, Tellor just has been very manipulated, and I think that's pretty clear with this. So then what happens is that the manipulators still, they tried to sell all of their bags. I think they sold everything with this huge 80% drop, but they might have still had some TRB laying around. So what they do is they pump up the price once more to sell at a higher average price. So that is what this is. It's still, look, we don't know. We don't know what's going on, right? I mean, they might even have more tokens going on, and they might want to pump up the price even more, which is a possibility, and that's also what I wanted to talk about in this video. I mean, probably, and I'm just guessing right now, but we'll have a look at it. But if you look at the liquidity, if you look at the liquidation areas for TRB, I think there you'll also find that to the upside, we have quite a lot of liquidity. Here you can see there was a lot of liquidity here. A lot of people were short. So what happens then is that the manipulators, they buy in and they sell at the liquidity pockets. Then if you zoom into this and you look at the last week, what you'll see is that there's still a ton of liquidity up here. Which most of that is probably never going to be reached, but there is still a potential for the price to rally up higher. The main thing that technically has to happen, and I do have to be honest right now, let me quickly have a look at the open interest. The open interest right now over the last day, you can see we spiked quite a bit, but since then it has been relatively stable. Like there's no big increase in this. So from the open interest and from the momentum, there's no indication that we will rally, but it's a possibility. It really is a possibility. Our main resistance level right here is between 155 and 160. If TRB, for whatever reason, all right, it could be anything. If we break above that level, so if we go above that level and we close above that on the 1 hour time frame, it's a bullish breakout and we'll still rally probably up to 190 and 200, potentially even all the way up to 230. So that is a very realistic possibility, and you should know that. Now, given the fact that the open interest spiked up and has since then kind of been neutral and has been falling, especially over the last 5 hours or so, it has been falling quite a bit. I have to tell you that I think it's most likely that we'll just drop down. I mean, if you take into consideration the technicals, which I am not sure if that's the smartest thing to do with a coin like Tellor, if you take that into consideration, it still looks most likely to me that we had a big spike, they exited some more TRB from there, but that from here we'll just drop back down to 120 and then slowly down to 190 right here. Which is the main support level for now. I would say this is most likely, but I would also say keep in mind that if we get that bullish breakout, so place a price alert, I would say, that then a lot more is possible. So you should know that, but assume we're just going to fall down lower. All right, those are my thoughts. That's what you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know as well. But for now, thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out my premium and signals group if you're interested in that. We're profitable. It's very valuable, I would say, but that's up to you to judge. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.